Welcome to Education Lifeline. Today we will be solving system of equations word problems. Now before you watch this video, make sure that you have watched our systems of equations playlist, as well as our previous two videos on solving system of equations word problems. They will be linked in the description below, as well as in the top right-hand corner of your screen. So here the first word problem says, you have 15 coins in nickels and quarters. More specifically, 3 more quarters than nickels. How many of each type of coin do you have? So the first part of the word problem says you have 15 coins in nickels and quarters. So we have two types of coins, so we need to make sure that we designate a variable for each type. Nickels could be N and quarters could be Q. Now, the total of nickels and quarters equal 15, so N plus Q will equal 15, or 15 equals N plus Q. Now, more specifically, you've got 3 more quarters than nickels. So you have 3 additional quarters than you have nickels. So N plus 3 equals Q, since you have 3 more quarters than you do have nickels. Now, since this Q is isolated, we could plug in N plus 3 into the Q right here. If we do that, we get N plus 3 equals 15. If you combine like terms, you get 2N plus 3 equals 15. Subtract both sides by 3, and you're left with 2N equals 15 minus 3, or 12. I'm going to rewrite that right over here. Now we can divide both sides by 2 to get N equals 6. Now we can plug the 6 in for N into one of these equations right here to get the value of Q. And since Q is isolated right here, we'll go ahead and plug it here. So 6 plus 3 equals Q, or 6 plus 3 equals 9. So Q equals 9. Now always make sure to check your solution. So we have 6 plus 9, and 6 plus 9 does equal 15. And then we have 6 plus 3 equals 9, which is also true. So we got the right solution. Now this next word problem requires a little bit of previous knowledge. It says, the width of a perimeter is equal to triple the length. What is the length and width if the perimeter is 88 centimeters? So in the first sentence, it says width is equal to triple the length. So we could say W for width and L for length, because those are the two things were asked in the word problem. And it says the width is equal to 3 times the length. So that would be our first system of solutions. Now let's ask, what is the length and width if the perimeter equals 88 centimeters? So here you need to know that you need to know the formula for a perimeter. So the formula for perimeter is 2L plus 2W equals P, or perimeter. And L equals length, and W equals width. So now it's given that perimeter is 88 inches, so we'll put 88 in for P, and that would be our second equation. 2L plus 2W equals P. So since W is isolated here, we can plug in 3L for W right here, and we get 2L plus 2 times 3L equals P. If we distribute, we'll get 2L plus 6L, 2 times 3L, equals P. And this P should be 88 right here. So 2L plus 6L is 8L, and 8L equals 88. So you can divide both sides by 8 to get L equals 88 divided by 8, or 11. Now I can plug the L back into one of these equations right here to get the width. So since width is isolated here, we'll plug the L into the first equation. So we have 3 times 11 equals W, or W equals 33. And always make sure to go back and check your work. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to watch our previous videos and check the description below for other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.